and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Kamdhenu scheme sees death of 332 cows within 2 years. Experts say Goan environment not suitable for hybrid Kamdhenu cows. Domestic ones suit the best. No more drink and drive. Traffic police tighten noose around boozed drivers. Over 500 booked in a month. Vehicles seized. Department awaiting alcometers to intensify drive. Prime Minister Narendra Modi commissions India's biggest naval destroyer INS Kolkata. 2 more to join next year. PM says no country should dare challenge India. Is it alarm for Goa BJP? No place for state BJP leaders in Amit Shah's new team BJP. Every BJP ruled state gets birth except Goa. Big question mark for Goa BJP Gen Next. And Louis van Gaal's Manchester United era begins with a shock defeat to Swansea as 2014-15 English Premier League kicks off. Now the news in detail. One Kamdhenu cow dies in every 2 to 3 days. The Kamdhenu Sudarit scheme seems to have yielded misery more than the milk to the farmers. Out of 4,226 imported hybrid cows, 332 cows have died due to illness in a span of just 1 to 2 years. The ambitious scheme came into force in the year 2012, but till now, no farmer is happy with the scheme. ICAR scientists claim that the climate in Goa is not favorable for these hybrid cows and government should focus on breeding domestic cows to reverse the situation. Here is a report.
Goa government has introduced various schemes to encourage farmers to promote the dairy business. One of them is Kamdhenu Sudarit scheme. This scheme provides financial assistance to farmers to buy hybrid cows, but the government statistics speaks a different story. The figures from the Animal Husbandry Department say government has spent more than 16 crores to purchase 4,226 hybrid cows in past 2 years. But production of milk did not increase as per expectation to meet daily requirement of the state. Prudent recently had exposed how animal husbandry officials along with the lulls loot and cheat the state and dairy farmers by pushing low-yielding cows at exorbitant rates at the cattle melas. Now have a look. Animal Husbandry Department has given 40% subsidy to farmers on purchase of each hybrid cows. From 2012 to 14, government has spent 16 crores 15 lakhs and 900 rupees to purchase 4,226 hybrid cows. Now take a look. In Pedne, farmers purchased 543 cows by spending 2 crore 34 lakhs. Farmers in Bicholi have bought 1,337 cows for 4 crore 44 lakhs 48,600 rupees. Farmers in Kankon have purchased 38 cows worth 1,71,300 rupees. In Mormugaon, 17 cows for 6,90,000. In Ponda, 422 cows bought for rupees 1 crore 86 lakhs 14,500. Farmers in Sangye bought 531 cows for rupees 2 crores 26 lakhs 25,500. In Sattari, 1,016 cows were bought for 3 crore 56 lakhs 82,850 rupees, and in Kepe 322 cows for rupees 1 crore 43 lakhs 9,150. Out of 4,226 cows, nearly 322 cows died due to illness within couple of years. Prudent contacted ICAR to know the reason behind the mortality of cows. Goa ICAR Chief NP Singh said climate of Goa is not suitable for these hybrid cows. State government should focus on breeding of local cows.
Actually, whatever breed we are purchasing, that is after 1 to lactation we are facing a problem, and there is some disease also. So government should not bring the material from outside, but we can't force government. We are always giving advice that you can have your own material, and then after that you can you can bring some genetic stock, maintain here, and then you give their heifers to the farmers. And they are purchasing from outside, and it is not working after one production. This is a problem.
Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane, as a dairy farmer too, feels the same.
इतको खर्च तुम्ही सगळं करूंक सोदतात. भायरसूनय गोरवां हाडटात. तुम्ही नुकतेच म्हटल्यात हावसान की बरी गोरवां कोण विकिना. भायर तीच परिस्थिती आहा. जी भायर जी गोरवां विकतात ती बरी गोरवां कोण विकिना. Some have problems gynaecally inside.
After spending crores of rupees on hybrid cows and the subsidies, state dairy sector has failed to meet the milk demand in the state. Goa Dairy is still importing 22,000 litres of milk per day from the neighbouring states. The Kamdhenu Sudarit scheme, as figures speak, is still a white elephant. Reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent.
No more drink and drive. Traffic police has initiated intense drive against the intoxicated and indisciplined drivers. Goa Traffic Police since 21st July have booked 594 such drivers. In a surprise check on 15th August night, Panji Traffic Police have booked 26 drivers for driving under the influence of alcohol. Goa Traffic Police has decided to be strict and hard on drunken drivers and have borrowed alcometers from other police stations.
Taking strong cognizance of rising cases of accidents due to drunken driving and concern expressed in the State Assembly, Goa Traffic Police has intensified their crackdown on drunken drivers across the state. Goa Traffic Police has till now booked 594 drunken drivers. On 15th August alone, Panji Traffic Police caught and booked 26 drivers for driving vehicles under the influence of alcohol.
For the last 26 days, we have been doing an intensive drive of drunken driving, that is the use of alcometer on drunken driver, and we have booked around 594 cases in these 26 days, out of which just last night we have booked, on the night of 15th August, we have booked around 26 cases.
Traffic Police earlier was unable to conduct such a drive against drunken drivers due to unavailability of alcometers. PI of Panji Traffic Police Dharmesh Angle informed that they have borrowed the alcometers from different police stations to conduct their drive.
Some old alcometers were not in proper condition, but our counterparts, that is at the police station level, alcometers were available. So we have now taken over their alcometers and we have started booking cases.
Dharmesh Angle further stated that once they get alcometers from the government, they will come hard on such drunken drivers.
More alcometers are coming. They are in the process of being acquired. So the moment they come, the drive will be intensified.
Against a general perception that tourists are mostly involved in drunken driving, PI Dharmesh Angle gave us surprising data. In almost 90% cases, Goans are involved.
Outsiders are also involved, but I think out of these cases, at least this traffic cell, India traffic cell, whatever cases we have booked so far, 90% of the cases are locals. We booked locals.
The person who is caught will not be free after paying fine. This drive is going to take the offender to the task. Police will take the custody of the vehicle and the driver and register the case. Case will be heard before the court and vehicle will be released after the court verdict. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Sushant Pad for Prudent.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi commissioned India's largest indigenously built warship INS Kolkata at the naval dockyard on Saturday. Constructed by the Mazgundog, the 6,800-ton Kolkata-class stealth destroyer has been designed by the Indian Navy's Design Bureau. Fitted with the most advanced weapon systems, including anti-submarine technology, this is the largest stealth destroyer constructed for the Navy.
India's home-built, nation's largest steel destroyer INS Kolkata was commissioned on Saturday at Mumbai Naval Dockyard. The vessel was flagged off in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Arun Jaitley and Naval Chief R.K. Dhawan. Its keel was laid down in September 2003 and the ship was launched in March 2006. It took 8 years for the vessel to get commissioned. It is the first of 3 such ships being built in this class, the other 2 being Kochi and Chennai. These warships include state-of-the-art BrahMos surface-to-surface missiles, rocket launchers, torpedo tube launchers, Sonar Hamsa, EWS Ellora and AK-360 guns, giving it a defense capability to counter threats of enemy sea and air attacks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said no nation should dare to attack India.
एक बार सामर्थ्य की अनुभूति हो, कभी कोई भारत की तरफ आंख ऊंची कर करके देखने की हिम्मत नहीं कर सकता है और इसलिए भारत अपनी शक्ति को उस दिशा में बढ़ाना चाहता है ताकि कभी किसी को भी भारत के सामर्थ्य को देखते ही, हमारे जवानों के सामर्थ्य को देखते ही, हमारे बाहुबल बुद्धिबल का सामर्थ्य को देखते ही कभी उसे भारत की ओर आंख करने का दुस्साहस नहीं होगा, ये मुझे विश्वास है.
But the naval sources say this destroyer lacks imported sensor technology and missile launching system to be a part of war operations with full strength, which will take still more time. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.